About the replacement guide for the magnetic control wheel of the upright fitness bike. Raise the seat cushion frame upwards. Remove two maintenance rubber pads and loosen the internal screws. Remove the maintenance cover. Use a socket to unscrew the nut that fixes the crankshaft. Use a specific crank tool to push the crank out. The removal method of the cranks on both sides is the same. Unscrew all screws securing the left and right covers and remove them. Unscrew the screws securing the magnetic control wheel. Disconnect the wiring, spring, and belt connecting the magnetic control wheel. Then you can remove the magnetic control wheel. When reinstalling the magnetic control wheel, it is necessary to first fix it with screws and reconnect the wires, springs, and belts. Refix the left and right protective covers with screws. Refix the crankshaft using the previously removed nut and install the decorative cover. Pay attention to the installation angle of the two cranks. Reinstall the repair cover. Tighten the screws that secure the repair cover and cover it with a rubber pad.